Assalamualaikum. How are you, children? Today we are going to learn maths and mind. We are going to learn count number 1 by 1, skip counting by 2, skip counting by 5s and 10s. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you pause and read these numbers? Very good. Oh, there are missing numbers. Can you pause and guess? Allah, well done. Do you know what number after number 49? Can you guess? Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi children. Okay, now Teacher Tasha will explain about count 1 by 1. Okay, I just do for number 1 until number 20, but you can try and do this with from number 1 until number 100. Okay, now what is the meaning of count 1 by 1? Count 1 by 1 means you count everything 1 by 1 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can do this continue until number 100. Now, that is what we call count 1 by 1. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 watermelons. 12. Count 1 by 1. Grapes. 1, 2. Where's number 2? Yes, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 grapes. Now count by 2s. Count by 2s. What is the meaning of count by 2s? You have to count. Okay. First tips. Okay. Tips pertama from Teacher Tasha. First thing first, you need to count. Okay, this is for count by 2s. Okay, how you want to count? 1, 2. Okay, count by 2s. 2. Okay. 3, 4. It is like 1, 2 and you pull out. So this is number 6. And then 1, 2. This is what's the meaning of count by 2s. But we are not going to count 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So 9, 10. Hey, what's wrong with my number 10? Okay. 11, 12. 13, 14. 15, 16. 17, 18. 19, 20. Okay, for count by 2s, we are not going to say this number. Number 1, number 2, number 3. No, that is count 1 by 1. Count by 2s, you just say Yes, after you counting the twos. Just now what teacher Tasha do. So you just say this number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Because you count twos. Okay, it's like one group have 2 blocks. Okay, in one group have 2 blocks. In one group have 2 blocks. In one group you have 2 blocks. In one group you have 2 blocks. Okay, so in one group you have 2 blocks. Let me put here. And then in one group you can put 2 blocks. You can put a lot of blocks here. So I just take this one. So how many groups we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Teacher Tasha have 6 group that have 2 blocks. So how many blocks inside here? So you're not going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is count one by one. So if count by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You have 12 blocks. How do you know? Because I count by twos. If I count one by one, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If count by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, 12. This is what we call count by twos. Teacher Tasha forget one block. That is the meaning of count by twos. Okay, now we go for the next one. Let's count by twos. 1, 2. Where's my number 2? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Everything is 8. How about this one? Can you try and do? Just now you have learned count one by one, count by twos. Now count by 5. Count by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, count by 5. Means you have to count by 5. Remember, first tip, you have to count first, then you pull out the number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Teacher Tasha show you step by step so that you can understand. Now I go for counting the number. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So count by 5. Which number should I say? Very good. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now, we are going to make a few groups so that you can understand what's the meaning of count by 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 blocks here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 blocks over here. Okay, this one. Yeah. Okay, one group over here and another group here. So from here you can see I have 4 groups that have 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups, and in one group I have 5 blocks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many blocks do I have now? I cannot count like one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just count 5, 10, 15, 20. This is what we call count by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one group. So the way I will count in 5, 10, 15, 20. I have 20 blocks. If I count one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 blocks. This is what I teach you about count by 5. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 watermelon in one group. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 5 watermelons in another group. Total? Yes, 10 watermelons. Pause and try. Pause and try. Count by 10. First tip, you count first until 10 because we are going to count by 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we take this. Come out and put it aside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to count by 10. Which number should I say? Yes, 10, 20 because we count by 10. Now, okay, now we are going to make groups. Okay, in one group we must have 10 blocks. So how many groups do we have if we put 10 blocks in one group? So we do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in one group. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in another group. So how many groups are there? 2 groups that have, yes, each group have 10 blocks. One group have 10 blocks, another group also have 10 blocks. So how many blocks do I have now? Yes, 20. How I count 10 How I count by 10? Yes, 10, 20. If I count by ones, means I need to count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count by 10 means you have to count until 10 in one group and another, yes, in another group. So 10 blocks and another 10 blocks. So I have 10, 20 blocks. Okay, take your activity book. Open page 10. Open page 10. Try to do page 10 and page 11. Page 10 and 11 only. Bye. Assalamualaikum.